In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix iMessage activation error on iPhone. So let's get started. So first things first is that you would want to restart your device. So you can do that by holding your power button and then your uh, volume button, which is the volume plus button. And then you will now be able to see that you'll be able to shut down your phone. You want to shut it down for a bit and then boot it back up after 10 seconds. And after that, you want to see if your iMessage is now working, and you want to go here into your settings. And then basically you just need to go all the way down and go into apps. And from here, you want to find the messages app right here. It's this one. And then now you would want to go here into iMessage, make sure that it's enabled so you can disable and enable it right here. As you can see, no issues. And it says waiting for activation. You just need to wait for it, and then you should now be able to see that it is now turned on without any errors. However, if you're still having some error, then you can try the next one, which is simply by going here into your settings and then going to search, and then you would want to go into date and time settings right here, because it's very important that this is correct, as this can cause errors if not set automatically, as you can see right here. So you want to make sure that the set automatically feature is turned on just like that. And after that, you want to go back into messages again, messages app, and see if the iMessage is now enabled without any issues right here, messages. And then you can go here into iMessage, toggle it off and then on. And if you're still having some issues, you can try the next one, which is simply going back in here to settings again and tapping on your iCloud account right here. And then from here, you just simply would want to scroll all the way down, and then you would want to tap on sign out. And basically you want to sign out of your account in here, provide your password. Once you're signed out, is that you want to wait for 5 minutes or so, and then you want to log back in. And then once you're logged in, is that you want to go back into settings again, and then once again go into your messages and see if you will now be able to fix your iMessage error. And it should now be fixed once you have tried all this method. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.